What's up guys, today I'm going to be buying myself an egg now for my grandmother. I have no school today and yet I haven't hit 100 blocks. It's sunny today. Ayo! Namo itlog.
Itlog.
Oh. Hello? Do you guys sell eggs?
Ha?
Do you guys sell eggs? Oh, namo egg.
Egg?
Yeah.
Wala. Ano, magbalik pa kong egg.
Which store sells egg again? What's ang galing gabaligya og egg?
Hindi na picture. Ice?
Egg.
Egg? Ay, dali. Abri, bibi.
Ay!
Open ka. Nag-open. Close.
I'm gonna go check. Really? Right. Hiya. Hiya. Hello.
May tao ba dyan?
May I have an egg? Sarah?
Bursi.
No.
Dua ka bursi. Dua ka steak. Isang asukal.
Ilan yung covered stream eh? Ay,
11.
ilan na yun ay?
11. Steak na yun. Anak, tugtog na yun. Anak. Ano na nas kape? Kwenta ha.
Ilan, 250 eh?
Itlog
Yes.
na. Itlog na. Po, isa.
Plus.
22.
Filipino.
Try mo.
Itlog na po, isa. Nagpila.
Hadit, itlog niyo ba? Hadit ba?
Yep.
Then,
Okay.
Ay, teka niyo wala. Nay, ito na, well.
yeah guys, just got myself an egg. Try not to crash. Yeah. Ah. That will be all guys. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.